Jitbit Helpdesk is a solid choice for businesses looking for a help desk software solution. But before you make a decision, here are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're comparing it to other tools like Freshdesk or Zendesk, this overview will help you decide if Jitbit is the right fit for your team. First thing, Jitbit's interface is straightforward, and that's a big plus for smaller teams or businesses with limited tech expertise. It's easy to get started with a clean, intuitive dashboard, but that simplicity could feel limiting for larger teams that need more complex customization options, something Zendesk excels at. Next thing, Jitbit offers a strong ticket management system, but compared to competitors like Freshdesk, it's less feature-rich when it comes to automation. While you can automate common actions, it's not as advanced as some alternatives. If automation is key to your team's workflow, Freshdesk might be a better fit. The third thing, Jitbit provides both on-premise and cloud-hosted solutions. This flexibility is rare, and it's great for businesses that need full control over their data, especially in highly regulated industries. However, cloud-based solutions like Zendesk might offer more robust support for remote teams. The fourth thing, Jitbit has an affordable pricing model with a clear breakdown of what you're paying for. Its pricing starts lower than Zendesk and Freshdesk, but the catch is that many features come only with higher tier plans. So, if you want the full package, the cost can add up quickly. Next thing, one area where Jitbit stands out is its ticket merging feature. It allows agents to merge tickets seamlessly, which can be a huge time saver when dealing with duplicate issues. Not every competitor offers this feature in such an easy-to-use format. The sixth thing, Jitbit's reporting capabilities are decent, but not as advanced as what you get with tools like Freshdesk or Zendesk. While you'll get basic insights, you may find it lacking if you need deep, customizable reports to analyze your customer service performance. The seventh thing, integrations are pretty good, but not as extensive as you might find in other platforms. While Jitbit works well with major tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams, you might be missing out if you rely on niche integrations available in other software like Zendesk. The eighth thing, Jitbit provides solid customer support, which is crucial for any helpdesk tool. However, if you're comparing it to others, Zendesk's 24/7 support and extensive knowledge base give it an edge in this department. The ninth thing, Jitbit is known for its speed. It's fast, both in terms of setup and response times. However, the customization options might leave you wanting more, especially compared to something like Freshdesk, which offers a broader range of configurable options. Next thing, the mobile app for Jitbit is functional but doesn't stand out as much as Freshdesk's. If your team needs a truly feature-rich mobile experience, Jitbit might feel limited compared to other platforms with better mobile support. The 11th thing, Jitbit's knowledge-based functionality is useful but basic. If you're hoping for a robust self-service portal, you might find the features lacking compared to tools like Zendesk, which excels in this area. Finally, Jitbit is reliable and offers a good helpdesk experience at an affordable price, but it doesn't have all the bells and whistles that you'll find in larger platforms. If you're just starting out or you're running a smaller team, Jitbit could be a great option. But if you're looking for something more powerful and customizable, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. Jitbit is a solid contender, especially for businesses that need simplicity and affordability. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced features, flexibility, or integration options, there are better alternatives. Try our recommended solution today